Lovers, people sound so. Welcome to my new intro.
Some of the most successful people on earth have a story.
Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please remember the number one rule to subscribe. No, mama starts over again. Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to Corguda's ENT. If you are new to the channel, please remember the number one rules to subscribe. If you're already a part of the family, please remember to share this video, like this video, tell a friend to tell a friend about Corguda's ENT. And if you don't know, over here you will be getting challenges, updates about me and about what is going on around the world and in Jamaica. Yes, people. So today, honestly, I have food in my hand, so no, I gotta eat. You understand? I was challenged by Love Doctor, aka Love Ice, or Love Ice, aka Love Doctor TV, to do this challenge. Yes, guys, she have two channels, so that's why I call it two channels. One is Love Doctor TV, and one is Love Ice TV. You understand? You can check it out. Love Ice TV is all about charity and stuff like that, guys. Not Love Ice, Love Doctor TV. Love Doctor TV is all about charity. You understand? So whatever donation you give to that channel, it's going to go towards the children's home in Jamaica. You understand? So big up Love Ice, and that's something good that you are doing. But anyway, I don't want to talk too much. So guys, them say fries. I don't love fries, people, but I'm going to eat it. You understand? Because Love Ice give me a channel and a challenge, and I was supposed to do this from a while ago. I don't really like fried chicken. I make a good fried chicken, but I don't love fried chicken, so I'm doing barbecue chicken. I make my own barbecue chicken. I make my own fries. And I won't be drinking drinks. I'll be drinking milk, guys. I'll be having a glass of milk. Yeah, I love milk, people. You understand? So, guys, I am going to start my timer. Me don't remember how much time them say. To be honest, I don't remember how much minutes them say. But people, I am going to set up my timer. I will set this again. Don't laugh at me, but not in another edit up. So whatever I want to say, just scratch that. You know? So yes guys, let's get to it. The phone I have an old phone, so it's kind of slow. Alright. It's a timer. So people, more Anthony can see. What the hell? Where's the camera? So this is set up on 0. And I'm gonna press start. Is that? It's a delay no people. Anyway, I'm gonna start over. You see the phone stick. Anyway, people, let's try again. Disappointed moment. Let's try again. The phone here, it's a play with my mental. You understand? I want the time of the run. The last time I do an egg challenge, and a lot of people was like, "Huh, where's the timer? Where's the timer? Why the timer not show this or why the timer not show that?" Alarm clock. People, you not like me. I want the Batman phones here. You don't ever see nothing like this yet? So here what I'm gonna have to do maybe, guys. I might have to switch phones. But this phone I did. And then I have to go share the video over. So people, I'm gonna use this phone to video and use this phone for timer. Let's switch it up. So guys, I think I know what's the problem with the timer. So I'm going back to this phone. So basically it's like me have to start it off by 1 second. You understand? In order for the start button to come up. Because I realized I went to the next one, which that is Steve. Because it's supposed to start from 0. You understand? I'm food I get cold. So people. So you don't have to give me about 1 second off. Timer starts. No. What's up? I try to stop people. It's just not with me. It's so nice. Very good. The rice, people sound fucking. No, people. Mas não é fucking Sama. Não brilha. People, I don't know about this. How about you? Can't you fast this one? Can't you fast? People time has a problem. I can't eat fast. That's a bone. I'm tough people. Oh, the Lord. But me know me not going with nothing. I think I'm going to other people. I'm just not with them. You know what? I'm just not with them. I'm going to try them out just dry. Even me give up. I'm going to give up. I'm still fries this back, me give up. I'm not lying. Is it back to me something I make from here? 2 minutes long. Every 1 minute, the time I go, it start over again. You know, it's too long. I will permit this another glass of big. People my bus truck and trailer. Right now I did a challenge at 11:48. I not eat so early. 3 minutes gone already, people, because the third time I start over timer. It all going at 4 minutes. Whew. Should I drink more? I have to drink it off. Come on, eat have this. I'm trying. No, somebody I got shit today. And I mean, who can borrow my bottom for me? Come on, a bottom. I now make it go to 4 minutes. Although this incomplete because I'm not done chips. Chips them dry out, people. I left them in the oven when it overdone, but the oven is still hot. It dry them out. Ah. Then some chips. Bos chokan chira, but you know, but incomplete. I can't say that. I don't know say the same thing. But when I prepare them with my chips them, because I over me do them, never want to oily chips. I don't like fries. There's something I can stop now. I know I go about 5 minutes. I get the video. If you go about 5 minutes, I'm still not done. So, you know I lose. But I still try. People, the chips them did done. I'm going to leave them in the oven. Because the oven hot. We gotta take a shower. Watch a piece of meat there something. Oh, wait. And it's them dry right out my back, you know. Go here. Then turn biscuit. You don't have to be like biscuit like that. Yeah. Nothing. So people, once again, best up on yourself. Thank you for supporting Corgoodaz ENT. Remember guys, my page, my old Instagram was hacked. And my new Instagram account is, I think it's Good As Curry. Good As Curry. _ Bossy Tuesday. That was my party page. But for those who know me, I used to keep a party every Tuesday called Bossy Tuesday and cook out. So I'm using my party page as my official page. Now come next page get hacked. So bless up on yourself, people. Thank you for the love and the support. Chicken tastes real good. Real good, people. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like I put my foot in this chicken. But right now my foot still has to feel a little bit. You understand? So bless up yourself. And please don't come to me and say I don't eat out the whole of food. I explain to you say the reason why I still tried. Bye guys.